on TV tomorrow night.
He can't even say TV.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, introducing for the first time.
Well, what font do you want to use, Mindy? Are you going to use Microsoft Word to open up your spreadsheet? Or are you going to use Microsoft Excel? Do you prefer Mozilla Firefox? Or do you Internet Explorer, Google Chrome? Or do you like open office software?
No, she wants to use her email and email Jester, Tom's Cockatiel.
Do you like that little girlie on the picture, on the screen? Oh boy, we're just having a good time this morning.
Who is Mindy? What is Mindy doing? Are you emailing yourself, Mindy? Where's she going?
She's opened up her Internet Explorer tab.
Let's go! Go.
There it is. There it is, Firefox start. Only a smart cockatiel can pull off stuff like that. Isn't that right, Isabella?
Yes, and put me on Disney